Today I will show you how I built my wired Bluetooth speaker that's perfect for in the shed.
Reroute the rivers that the dam wanna be.
First I began with designing the speaker. As inspiration I used the speakers from House of Marty because I like the design and the looks of the whole speaker. All these sheets of wood I have cut out on a CNC router on my dad's work. You can also draw them out on a sheet of plywood and cut them out by yourself. Then I sanded everything. I've used two old speakers and an amplifier board from Bor..com. It's very cheap, and I chiseled out some pieces of wood to guide the wires to the speakers. I've drilled some holes on the top side for some buttons for things like volume up or down and next for the next song. As a power supply I've used an old 12 volts PC adapter. I will probably make another speaker in the future that's powered by battery so I can take it with me on vacation. As buttons I've used little wooden sticks and I've sanded them down so they can fit the holes on the top side of the speaker. When the buttons were glued in place, it was time to glue the whole speaker. After that I let the speaker dry for some days. I sanded everything down so I can finish it with some wax or varnish. As finished, I wanted the speaker to look a little bit darker because the wood was very white and bright, and I wanted to give it a little bit of a gloss, so it is visually more appealing. After that, I had let the wax dry for 24 hours. I have sanded it down again and waxed it again. I did this 3 times so it would get a pure finish look. And now it's finished. So my speaker is finished now and it looks good. The sound's also pretty good and there will be a sound test in this video. This is very good speaker for in the shed, for instance. I have it always on when I work in the shed, and I want to make more in the future with batteries, for instance, better bass with subwoofers or so, and so on. And if you liked it, you can leave a like and maybe subscribe.
The people are thirsty because of man's unnatural hand.
That hard, dry land. Clap your hands now. Clap your hands now.